Dhabaleshwar temple situated near 25 km from Barampur in the shore of Bay of Bengal is a place where devotees gather to offer their puja to Lord Shiva. I went to Dhabaleshwar temple. The atmosphere in and around the temple is calm and peaceful. Tourists flock the temple to witness the splendid temple. Devotees visit the temple to worship the Lord and seek his blessings. It is a great place to go.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
A few moments later.
A great place to visit in the morning if you're staying in Brahmapur or nearby. You will absolutely love the sunrise here with a cup of chai. Yes, there are tea stalls near the beach that opens early morning. Not very crowded anytime compared to Gopalpur beach. You will have a better beach experience here, though Gopalpur beach is more developed. But here I had a better nature experience and far less crowd. The journey to Dhabaleshwar from Brahmapur was enjoyable as the road is not highway like, but decent enough and greenery on the both sides. Temperature around here is less than that of the town. If it's a winter morning, you won't regret bringing your jacket with yourself.